honestly pray in thankfulness for every single day, for all creations bright and beautiful everywhere. We at GIS, we need your guidance as we learn to love and honor our parents and our teachers and our friends with everything we do and sing. We at GIS, we need your presence to experience the joy of learning in the classrooms and all around. With every step we take each day, shine on us, shine on us. Oh Lord, I earnestly pray in thankfulness for every single day, for all creations bright and beautiful everywhere. We at GIS, we need your guidance as we learn to love and honor our parents and our teachers and our friends with everything we do and sing. We at GIS, we need your presence to experience the joy of learning in the classrooms and all around. With every step we take each day, shine on us, shine on us, shine on
Hi Dushyant.
Hi Aditya.
So, what is this hero about that we are presenting today?
Don't you know?
No, I don't. Can you explain?
Hero means help everyone and respect others.
Oh, so who are our real heroes?
Our teachers are the real heroes.
Oh,
Today, in this pandemic situation, our school has made online classes possible. When we came from primary into middle school, we were very happy how we have learned in grade 5D. We respect all our teachers, and our teachers are real heroes. And we grade 5D students dedicate this assembly to our dear coordinator Simi ma'am and all the teachers who teach us. Here's a small story. Here's a small story about help everyone, respect others.
One day, an old man was having a stroll in the forest when he suddenly saw a little cat stuck in a hole. The poor animal was struggling to get out, so he gave him his hand to get him out. But the cat scratched his hand with fear. The man pulled his hand, screaming with pain, but he did not stop. He tried to give a hand to the cat again and again. Another man was watching the scene, screamed with surprise, "For God's sakes, stop helping this cat. He's going to get himself out of there." The other man did not care about him. He just continued saving that animal until he finally succeeded. And then he walked to that man and said, "Son, it is cat's instincts that makes him scratch and to hurt. And it is my job to love and care." Now we have a dance by Ikshita and Ananya. Look on the video.
Respect is a mirror. The more you show it to other people, the more they will reflect it back. We are now going to present a skit. Akshara as Neetu ma'am.
Good morning, children. I am Unitu, ma'am. Today we are going to learn the chapter 1 Friday morning. Neetu, ma'am, you brought the poet out of us.
Dhanya as Priyanka ma'am.
Good morning, children. I am Priyanka ma'am. Today we are going to learn tenses. Priyanka ma'am, you are always there to help us in grammar.
Nidhi as Anita ma'am.
Hello children, I'm your Anita ma'am. Let's do a small exercise on matter. Anita ma'am, you brought out the scientists in all of us.
Dia as Sonal ma'am.
Good morning, students. I'm Sonal ma'am. I sent a Yahoo quiz. Please do it. So, ma'am, you made the past exciting and loads of fun.
Selva Samruddhi as Sandhya ma'am.
Good morning, everyone. Today we are gonna do a new problem in addition. Teachers plus students equals school. Sandhya ma'am, you brought the maths magicians out of us.
An act by Jyoti ma'am. An act of Jyoti ma'am.
नमस्ते बच्चों, मैं हूँ ज्योति मैम। आज हम सर्वनाम सीखने वाले हैं। पेज 64 खोलिए। ज्योति मैम, आपने हमारी हिंदी बेहतर की।
Shivatmika as Sheetal ma'am.
Hello everyone. So today we are going to learn about Scratch. Please open your please open your textbooks to page number 96. Sheetal ma'am, you made us all a computer wizard.
Ishita as Sujaya ma'am.
Good morning, children. Let's start with the Shanti Mantra. Sujaya ma'am, you taught us how to be calm.
Ishan as SPA sir.
Good morning, student. I'm your SPS sir. Let's do some exercises. SPS sir, you made us all fit and active.
Harsha as Sharat sir.
Good afternoon, students. Today I am going to teach you Varli art. Sharat sir, you made us excellent artists.
Over to Ronit.
I was taught to knock before I open a door, say hello when I enter a room, say please and thank you, and to have respect for parents and elders. Good manners are just a way of showing others that we have respect for them.
The following rules of respect: say please and thank you, be polite, follow rules, raise your hands, be kind and grateful, be respectful.
Wow, what a wonderful assembly. We have learned so much about respecting our elders and helping everyone.
Indeed, even I learned a lot. Thank you, teachers, for helping us throughout this pandemic.
Wow, what a wonderful assembly.
Okay.
Akshara, since Akshay cannot unmute, please finish the vote of thanks and national anthem. Thank you, teachers.
Yes. Thank you, Sita ma'am, Simi ma'am, our class teacher Sandhya ma'am, and all the teachers who teach us for presenting this assembly. Now we request you to stand and we'll have the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे